Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Mike here from Mike's Garage, and today I've got a crazy car that came to the workshop, which is behind me. If you can see there, it's E92 320i. Yeah. Why this car caught my eye is because of its condition. It's just absolutely crazy condition, this particular car. Let me show you here. Yep. Look at that. Alright. Lovely condition. Alright. Look at the headlights on this car. It's factory fresh. Everything is factory fresh on this car. Look at the fog lights. It's gleaming, the fog lights, yeah. Alright. Look at the wheels. Yep. And tires. This brakes. Everything. Side indicators, they're like brand new. The paint is sparkling. Look at the glass. Nothing in it. Yeah. And the paint on the car, it's just unbelievable, this car, yeah. Yep. Look at the badge here, it's 320i. Yep. Look at the tail lights. It's brand new. Everything is sparkling on this car, yeah. This is a very nice customer of ours. He also owned an E34, which is in immaculate condition as well. A lot of mileage, but this car, it comes with a sunroof. It's a 2011 car, and let me show you guys the interior of this car. Oh my gosh, it's just unbelievable. Look at the condition of this car. It's really factory fresh. Usually I will see a bit of wear here, yeah, with this car. It's absolutely stunning. There's no wear at all on this car here. Yeah. And look at the seats. Oh my gosh, it's going back. It's like taking me back to 2011. Oh my gosh, it's a factory fresh car. It's just unbelievable, the condition of this car. I thought my E92 was nice, but this is another level altogether. Yeah. Okay, just let me get in here. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, the interior of this car. My gosh, there's only one thing that needs replacement, is the MMI screen. Yeah, but that's a small matter. But look at the steering wheel. It's really factory fresh, yeah. Like brand new, yep. Okay, let me show you the mileage on this car, alright? Okay, it's one of the BMW system where we gotta put the key in. It's not the keyless yet on this particular model. Okay, let me show you guys, yeah. Okay, and let me start it up. Look at the mileage, guys. 4,284 kilometers. It's really brand new, this car, basically. Look at all this. Not a single scratch here on it. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Alright, the car came in here for a tune with us, and we have tuned it, and I'm just gonna take it for a quick test drive. Yeah, to ensure all is good.